welcome to Meet the Makerspace, where we give you step-by-step tutorials of the equipment the Sparks' Lab Makerspace at the Ocean County Library has to offer. Today, we will be showing you how we use the Cricut Maker Machine while creating a t-shirt. What is shown in the video is the Cricut Maker Machine, its accessories, everyday iron-on vinyl, and the Cricut heat press. All of this is available at our Toms River branch Makerspace to use at your leisure. First thing you are going to want to do is place the iron-on vinyl, shiny side down, on the green cutting mat. Next, smooth the material out on the cutting mat so no air bubbles are shown. You can use your hands or a Cricut applicator tool, which is shown in the video. Once the material is put properly on the mat, insert the cutting mat underneath the two placeholders, near the rolling pad. Press the blinking button, which is the double-sided arrow. The machine will then feed the mat completely in. Click on the Cricut logo or the Go button, this is also blinking when it's ready, and let the machine do its magic. Once the machine is done cutting, press the double-sided arrow to unload the mat. Slowly peel material away from the cutting mat. Repeat the process if you have multiple colors. Use the weeding tool or your hands to remove the negative areas. These are the areas you do not want to be a part of your design. The weeding tool is helpful for areas that are smaller and more detailed. You can keep your Design Space software up for reference on your computer. Using the Cricut heat press, set the temperature and time. There is a Cricut heat press guide available on the Cricut website. Make sure you are applying the iron-on decal on a flat surface. Place the decal sticky side down on the t-shirt. Place the heat press directly on top of the iron-on material. Once you think it's ready, slowly peel the plastic from the t-shirt and material. Then, layer the other colors on top of one another. Your Cricut design is officially completed. Visit our Sparks' Lab Makerspace in Toms River to learn more about the Cricut and other equipment we have to offer to spark your creativity.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.